Hi everyone, it's just a little flip through of this item that I have for sale on my Etsy shop. Well, hopefully very soon. It's some tags and ephemera, etc. that I've made to go with the Blue Garden kit from Chapter 1 papers, but it is by no means exclusive to that kit. Any journal that you're doing that's blue, it would fit in really nicely, I think. So we'll just go through them quickly one by one. These are the die cuts that are coloured with the Tim Holtz ink, and I really like those. It's just illegible script stamped behind a bit of a label and a butterfly, and it's plain on the back. This one was one that I painted myself on a Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen book page, which I quite liked somehow. It seemed to fit. And it's got this double bow at the top, sewn all around, and it's backed with blue, and it's got a metal eyelet, blue one. This one is decoupage onto that same book. I think it's the same book, Pride and Prejudice. Metal eyelet, ribbons sewn around. This one, this has got faux stitching around it. I'm really quite into faux stitching at the moment. And a butterfly with a little gem on it, some lace, etc., metal eyelet. And on the back I have stamped with Tim Holtz wildflowers and a little bee as well. But I think you could still journal over that, to be honest, and it's most attractive. I do really like that. This one has got a little piece of ephemera from Chapter 1, a little bit of lace, blue lace on it there. Bow at the top, ribbon bow at the top, sewn around, and a blue butterfly and backed onto blue card. This one, book page, 3 pieces of ephemera, a little butterfly there, sewn around, some seam binding there and some lace, and it's mounted onto blue card with a metal eyelet there. This one you might have watched me make in one of my lives. It was really awkward, and loads of things went wrong with it. It's incredible, but it's turned out quite nice, I think, and I thought you might like to have it. It's a flip, and it goes into your page like that. So you'd stick that bit down, and then you've got this that flips around a place, and it's got this lovely big tag in it. And on the back, we've got that same idea. Pretty similar, in fact, and it's got lace and ribbon at the top. It's got an acetate window. It's ready to go, really. It's very pretty. Then we've got this, which was the actual journaling card that I discovered that second and third generation printing. That it looks so nice. It was a mistake. I dropped my stamp onto the journaling card, and I thought, ooh, that looks really nice. So that's what I've done with that one. It's just got a little label on it, and it's onto cream. This one was another one that I hand painted onto a Jane Austen book page. It's got some seam binding on the top there, which I love. It's mounted onto blue metal eyelet. This one, another hand painted one onto Jane Austen book page. Some really schmancy fancy blue dotty ribbon there, which I do like, and I think it just complements that really nicely. It's sewn around and it's backed onto blue. This one's another decoupage one from a beautiful blue napkin that I have. So I've decoupaged over the Jane Austen book, some lace, some ribbon, metal eyelet, sewn around. You've got the story by now. This is a journaling card, and I think it might be my favourite. It's simple, but it's really nice, I think. Just that illegible script around it. An item of ephemera from Chapter 1 papers, Blue Garden kit. The blue butterfly and a little label there, and it's just left plain. This one, this is my next to favourite. These are 2 pieces of ephemera from the Chapter 1 papers, Blue Garden kit, onto some book page, sewn around, metal eyelet there, some seam binding. I love this colour. I've got some of it here, and I'm hoarding it. I love it so much I'm not using it. How stupid is that? Anyway, that's it. It's backed onto blue. So there we have it. A nice little set of blue ephemera for any journal you want to make. How many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, that's a bit unlucky, isn't it? 13. Unlucky for some. Let's have a look and see what else I've got lying around. Well, there's this coin envelope, which is a seed packet. It is a coin envelope, but in this case it's a seed packet because it's a garden. So I'll pop that in with that. And then there's this page here that, this is what I call a page pocket. I showed you how to do them on it live. You just fold it and fold it and glue it or stitch it or whatever, and then you can just pop something in there. And it's a really nice page, that actually. It's all blues. So I'll pop that in as well. Wrong way around. That way. And then we've got 15 things, not 13, because 13 is just tempting fate, isn't it? So there we are. I hope you like them, and I hope you're successful if you wish to buy them. Thank you. Bye.